How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This episode, finally, if you guys remember, I make a video about the run floor mats for my RAV4. Finally, after like 3 months, I get my floor mats. Good thing I get free ones for the Accord. So like a week ago, I get it. These ones, they're really good. I like it because the good thing about these floor mats is they're gonna be easy to clean. The red stitching looks awesome. Plus, it's gonna be easier. Hopefully, not a lot of stuff getting to the carpet because it's really hard to clean it. Especially when you try to vacuum this carpet. And the original floor mat is just painful. I don't like it. I don't like to waste all that time. But now you can see new floor mats, and they look awesome. And it's been raining, and if you can see on the passenger side, it's already dirty. But that's why I'm getting this, because it's gonna be easier to clean. I wish I can have the other ones that they cover everything in here, because some stuff is gonna go in there, but it's gonna be a lot easier to clean. So this episode was requested. I was not planning on to doing this because I already make a video about it. Somebody requested this. They get a floor mat, but their floor mat, they go inside. They asked me if I can make a video removing this bottom part of the seat. Really easy to do. You just have to pull on it because their floor mats actually go inside. And I thought I was gonna get one of those where the floor mat goes inside. Mine doesn't go all the way up, as you can see. It just stay there. But this is really easy. You just gotta pull on it so you can release it for the two clips. One clip in there, one clip on the other side. I'm gonna try to do it without removing the seat. So let me show you how. Okay, on this spot right here, you just need to grab on. Put your hand inside. And try to pull on it. It's really hard, but you have to grab with both hands, pull on it. Same thing for this side. Try to put your hands inside and pull on it. Okay, so now that you have this part like that, you can just lift it. You're gonna see right here on the corner the two metal hangers, and in the bottom you're gonna see a white clip. That's where it goes. This is the metal clip. That's the bottom part, the white part. That's what it goes. So when you're about to finish putting the floor mat in, just put it inside with your hand. Make sure that you feel it. Press on it. Once you press on it and it clicks, it's in place. And I don't have to remove the whole cushion part of the seat because they just try to put the floor mat inside. You can do it like that. I have the car seat here, that's why I cannot remove it all the way. But basically, that's what you need to do. Once you feel that the clip is inside, just push down on it. It's gonna clip on both sides. So like I said, guys, it's really tight in there. You have to pull it out with both hands. That's how you remove the bottom part of the rear seat. Really easy to do. I hope you like this episode, especially because it was a request. I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.